In today's episode, we finally get to see the final results of the laundry room. So if you want to see how it all turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. And in today's episode, we're continuing on with this laundry room. Yes, it's been a number of days, but I've been taking my time because I'm doing it all alone. Now, I am happy to say that today's video is the final reveal of the new laundry room. So just sit back, relax, and watch your girl finish this all up.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free. Free to live my life. Free to roll the dice. Free to go left or right. I'm gonna feel free to go wherever I choose. Free to stay or just cut loose. Free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance. Free, that's what I wanna be. That's what I wanna be. Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing.
Okay, what I was doing was finding the studs in the wall so I can pre-drill my holes in this wood so I can attach it to the wall. Now here comes the fun part. I'm getting ready to start to decorating the top shelf. Now everything used on the top shelf is already in my stash. Now as for the bottom shelf, those things I showed you, a majority of those things in a haul, and I will try to remember to link the haul at the top in an iCard. Are you ready for the reveal? Now here's an overall look of how the shelves are decorated. Now on the top shelf, that copper bread box, I've had it for years. The sign was thrifted and I've had it for years. And so is the watering can. It was thrifted. And that basket, I've had it for I don't know how long. Now this black and gold tray came from Hobby Lobby a while back. Now the glass containers, the labels on them, they came from Etsy. And this sign that says open 24 hours, laundry room self-serve, I made that sign myself and framed it. Now all the containers have the same font on them. That's from the papers I got from Etsy. Now I'll have a link to the iCard showing you where all the containers came from. And of course this one here, I broke the lid as I was bringing it into the laundry room. Yeah, it's going to be hard to find a replacement. Now my broom rack and mop rack is up. And then I put the wash, dry, fold, and repeat signs over my recycle bin. Now this recycle bin will be right here for my plastic containers and bags. I'm really proud of the results of this laundry room. So let me know what you think down below. Yes, I decided to stain the wood and it looks really beautiful. The overhead light makes everything look so crispy and clear. So let me know what you think of my laundry room down below. You know I love reading your comments. And as always, I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.